Okay, so in this lecture, I'm going to work with slicers, and I just need to show you a small feature here. So I will just first of all make this one smaller and put it here in the corner. And now I need to add a slicer. So I will click here on the slicer option. And once we have the slicer option here, I will enter the parameter. And for now, I just want to enter the parameter of years. So I want to slice my data by years. And now you will see that I have this strange kind of thing, not exactly strange fire kind of thing. This is a kind of drag and drop option. So I will just change that right now, and I will say please make it a list. That is something that looks much easier to me. So okay, so we have this slicer decently pasted here in the corner. Now what I need to show you right now is, if I just click here in 2018, you will notice that all these visuals are now representing the value of 2018 only. That is what we have expected, right? There is no problem with this. But now if I take this to 2019, you will notice that in this all of those other visuals are correctly representing their values. But in this TTD, sales revenue TTD, someone could have expected that he will be receiving the value of 2018 as well as 2019. So this is where we should keep in mind that even though the standard behavior of the card is that this represents the value of total to date, with the slicer this will only be bringing the current period, the current specific period value. Similarly, if I go to 2020, you will notice that it is again only presenting the value of that specific period only. Now one thing that you could do is that you can select the 2 years together as well. So press the control key on your keyboard and press on 2019 as well, and this time you can see that you have 2 years selected in all your visuals. So I will repeat that again. To select 2 years at the same time, you will simply press the control key on your keyboard and click on the other year as well. You could do that here in the country as well, by the way. And once you have done that, you can see your visuals are now representing the value of 2018 and 2019. And if you look at this visual here now this one is correctly representing the TTD, total to date value. So this is the standard behavior that we should be keeping in mind. Otherwise someone may get the misleading impression of this value. Okay, I hope this is making sense now.